And on that note, we are tracking some potential tropical activity in the Gulf, so we want to get over to meteorologist Alexa Trischler for the latest on that and our forecast. Alexa?
Yeah, we'll get a little bit of tropical moisture coming our way later on Sunday and throughout the first part of the new work week, and that will increase our rain chances. It won't be like what we're seeing in South Florida, but we'll see at least an increase in our rain opportunities later Sunday and through Wednesday. So we'll have multiple days of rain coming up, but today and tomorrow will be completely dry, just hot with a lot of sunshine. With those better rain chances coming our way throughout the first part of the new work week, it's not going to be as hot, so that's a silver lining, but it will start to feel more muggy starting Sunday and get breezy this week as well. Today, our high temperatures will soar right into the mid to upper 90s. We are almost in the mid 90s now. We'll probably get to about 95 degrees in New Orleans, maybe 97 on the North Shore, so trending several degrees above average, which is 90. So we could see some record challenging heat today and tomorrow. The good news is, once again, humidity is not so bad today. So our feels like temperatures this afternoon will hover around 100 degrees. That could certainly be a lot worse. It's still going to be hot today and tomorrow. That's really the most important thing to keep in mind. If you will be outdoors today or tomorrow, make sure you're drinking plenty of water, staying hydrated, taking those breaks in the shade. The reason we'll be so hot is this upper level ridge of high pressure. That will continue to shift off to the east and bring many days of really hot temperatures to the eastern seaboard throughout this upcoming work week. As for us, we do want the really hot weather today and tomorrow. Still hot on Sunday, but as that high pressure shifts off, here comes that tropical moisture on the western edge of it. Still looks like the bulk of that tropical moisture, the deepest and the heaviest of that moisture, is going to be to our south and to our west, which is good news. That will really help cut down on any flooding problems with us and help lower our rain chances. So it looks like the heaviest of the moisture still moving into East Texas and into Mexico during the first part of the new work week. But even though that's the case, we'll still see a bump in our moisture content that will give us our better rain chances starting later in the day on Sunday. So Sunday for Father's Day is not going to be a washout. I have a 40% chance of rain for some showers and storms rolling in later in the day. Then we'll keep those somewhat elevated rain chances with us Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of the new work week. So today and tomorrow, dry, lots of sunshine. Let's skip right ahead to Sunday for Father's Day. In the morning, looking dry for any activities you want to do with Dad. And then we get into the afternoon hours, we'll start to see some scattered showers and storms across the area. Not everyone sees it, most of it happening on the South Shore and closer to the coast. But we can see some steady and soaking showers at times, especially later on Sunday. This is Sunday night around 10, 11 o'clock. And then we'll probably see some more rain moving in again on Monday. We'll get a little breezy with winds coming in from the southeast. We'll see some times of steady and soaking showers during the day Monday. Tuesday, it looks like we'll see some more breaks in the rain, but we'll probably keep some showers around again Tuesday, and same goes for Wednesday. So we'll have the breaks in the rain, but at least we'll have occasional showers at times with us Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and some heavier showers are possible closer to the coast. But it looks like the highest rainfall totals from this kind of push of tropical moisture is going to be to our south and to our west, mostly in the Gulf of Mexico, along the Texas coast and into Mexico as well. But even so, western Louisiana can pick up a few inches of rain. As for us here at home, it looks like on the North Shore between Sunday through this upcoming Wednesday, we'll see about 1 to 3 inches of rain, and then on the South Shore around 2 to 4 inches. So we'll watch for any very localized flooding issues really closer to the coast and on the South Shore. So looking at the tropics, Invest 90 moving away from the continental United States, but still a lot of moisture, a lot of rain still on tap for South Florida today. And then this other area in the southwestern Gulf will be watching for development this weekend into the early part of the new work week, but this is still expected to move westward into Mexico and not impact us. So it could be our first system of the season, but so far it still looks like it's going to carry all of its impacts into Mexico, maybe into extreme southern Texas. Here's your 7-day. Hot tomorrow and today, and then next week with those clouds and showers, not as hot, so that's good. Temperatures next week will be in the 80s.